Hello, what's happening guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add lower thirds in your video clip. So let's get started. The great feature in Filmora is some built-in lower thirds templates are available in Filmora video editing software. To add lower thirds, simply click on text and credit tab, and here you see a category is called lower thirds. Just click on this, and here you see 26 different lower third templates are available right here. To see any of this preview, just double click any of these. Alright. Downloading process is pretty simple, just double click on this icon. Look, this lower third is downloading. Now it is done. To see the preview, double click on this. Pretty cool. This time I add these lower thirds in this video clip. To add this, simply drag it in timeline and set your preferred position. I just zoom this timeline a little bit, and this is our lower thirds. To edit these lower thirds, simply double click on this from timeline, and here you see from here we can edit our text. This time I type Alpha M. Now I change this font style by clicking on this drop down menu. This time I set this simple one, April fat face. And now I change this your present text. I just click on this, and from this basic setting I change this text. This time I type fitness expert. Now I resize this text a little bit and move it here. Also, you can change this text alignment, text color as well. Now I hit on OK. Let's play this clip now.
You look fantastic. Keep it up. So the other day, I gave my friend a call.
Awesome, right?
What happens?
Let's add another one. This time I add these lower thirds. To add this one, at first we need to download. That's why I double click on this. Our download is now complete, and this is the preview. To add this one, in the same way I just drag it in timeline. Now I double click on this and I type fitness expert Alpha M, and this time I don't change hey there text. Now I hit on OK. Let's play this clip now.
A woman, longtime friend, and I just wanted to touch base. She recently went through a pretty tough divorce.
Awesome, right? To make this lower thirds little bit interesting, I just add a transaction sound under this lower third. At first, I have to import this transaction sound. Now I click on import, click import media files, and from desktop, I simply import a sample transaction sound. Now I set it here. Let's play this now.
To be a woman, longtime friend, and I just wanted to touch base. She recently went through a pretty tough divorce, and so I just wanted.
Pretty cool. So guys, in this easy way, we can easily add different type of lower thirds in our video clip. Thank you so much for watching.